Good morning and welcome all in this video. So we are going to discuss about some of the marine fishing crafts, that is the boats and gears. So in this video we will discuss about the crafts or the boats of the east coast which are found towards the east coast of the India. So this is the first part of the marine fishing crafts and gears. So we know that the success of the fisheries is depends on proper catch of the available fishes in that particular water, and in India large variety of crafts, that is the boats, have been designed for marine and inland fishing. So in this chapter the fishing crafts and gears are considered under marine fishing crafts and gears and inland fishing crafts and gears. And here in this video we will going to discuss about the crafts which are particularly found towards the east coast of the India. So the crafts or the boats used in the India having several varieties. So here are some main type of crafts or the boats used can be discussed. So here the crafts of the east coast, crafts or the boats which are used towards the east coast of the India. So there are a particular type of crafts that is called as catamaran, which is also called as lashing timber type of catamarans. Lashing timber type of boats are used towards the east coast of the India. It is a primitive and the most important fishing crafts of the east coast. It is devised according to the local environmental condition and the biological requirement of the water. This can be designed depending upon their local environmental condition and the biological requirement of that particular water. It is constructed by tying together several logs. Several logs are tied together and forming such a type of boats, and which are curved and shaped like a canoe. One end of this particular craft is shaped into a cone which rises above the water. One end is forming such a type of shape which rises above the water level and forms the point where the radar is controlled. From here the radar is controlled. There are various types of this catamaran. So this catamaran have different types. In that first type, that is a Coromandel type of catamaran. This is also called as Tamil Nadu type of catamaran, Coromandel type of catamaran or Coromandel type of catamaran. This is probably the original Tamil Nadu type, and it is made by 3 to 5 logs. These 3 to 5 logs are tied together, and also that can be tied with the stem parts. There is having some accessory piece of the stems, and rowing sails are used to tie together this type of logs. And a variation of this particular type of Coromandel type is found, and this Coromandel the variation which is having made by the 7 logs. These 7 logs are tied together and forming a boat, and that is called as Kolmaram type of crafts or Kolmaram type of, that is a boat. And this can be used in the capture of this particular Kolmaram type of crafts used to capture the flying fish of Nagapattinam area. This was the first type of catamaran. Second type, Orissa and Ganjam type of catamaran. Orissa and Ganjam type. It is again made up of 5 logs, and these 5 logs which are not tied together by rope but are pegged with wood. These logs are pegged with wood. There were no any tied rope are used here for the tying of these logs. Third type, which is called as Andhra or Vishakhapattanam type. This Andhra or Vishakhapattanam type of catamaran or the boat, which are comparatively larger, which is about 5 to 7 meter long and made up of heavy wood, and the planks used in fitting the sides are very strong. So these are some larger boats which are found or which are used towards the Andhra or Vishakhapatnam area. Then number 4 type of catamaran, that is called as boat catamaran. This boat catamaran, it is made up of 3 logs, and this is a type of regular boat shaped type of this vessel which is called as boat catamaran. Then there are also having some rafts. These rafts are small catamaran. Comparatively, these are smaller in size, smaller catamarans of primitive type, comprises about 4 to 5 logs. Again, they are having some masula boat, bar boat or padava. It is used extensively on the Coromandel coast, and it is about 9 meters, and it is constructed only with the planks. These boats can be constructed with the planks. Also having some other type of boats used towards the east coast of the India, in that nauka or dinghy. This nauka, these are the boats of Orissa and West Bengal. These are carved boats of Orissa and West Bengal. Naukas are well designed large boats measuring about 13 by 3 by 2 meter. These naukas having a measurement about 13 by 3 by 2 meter. Again, they are having some other boats like Tuticorin boat. This Tuticorin boat is measuring about 11 by 2 by 1 meter, and these are used as a mothership. And Pattiya type of boats are also used toward the north Orissa. These Pattiyas are used in the north Orissa. So these are some crafts or the boats used towards the east coast of the India. So this was our first video based on marine fishing crafts and gears. So if you like this video, then share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.